So we took the 2B main, guys, and see what's going to happen with that one. So I'll go stand over there so I'm not your guys' way. You guys ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Whoa! Oh, the Kyosho ran out of control. Again, he's taking out cones. Whoa! It is no prep. Whoa! There goes the Tamiya, 1 lap. Taking the white corner. It's taking his time, which is good. He's got lots of time, but the Kyosho is coming up. He's coming on the 2nd lap. 2nd lap. Where is the Kyosho coming up? There's the Kyosho. Slowly catching up. Whoa, kind of could have shortcut, but that's okay. And the Tamiya wins it.